Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Bajaj Pulsar NS 125 BS6 and we will see what all the features we get in this bike. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe. So without a delay, let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we get the halogen headlamp as same as the NS 200 and NS 160 with the bulb indicators. Now talking about the front wheel, here we get the 240 mm front disc. The size of front tire is 80 by 100 sections, 17 inches, and here we see the fuel tank, the massive fuel tank we get here of 12 liters. Now talking about the engine, so in this bike we get air cooled 124.4cc engine which generates 11.99 PS of power with 11 Newton meters of torque. You can expect the mileage of 55 to 60 kmpl of this bike, so fuel tank range will be great. This bike comes with the open chain system and you have to clean and lube the chain after 400 to 500 kilometers. Along with this, bike comes with the monoshock suspension. It is great to see that monoshock suspension is coming in 125cc bikes. So rear view is not that different from the NS 160 and 200. The rear tire size of this bike is 100 by 90 sections, 17 inches of tire. You will not find the rear disc in this bike. Also, this bike comes with the kick option, and the design and graphics are as same as the NS 160 and NS 200. So now talking about the instrument console, so instrument console is same as NS 200 and NS 160, so there is no change, and the handlebar buttons are also same. You will get the lower beam, high beam indicator and the horn light, and in the right side you will get the engine kill switch and the self start button. You will get the split seat arrangement in this bike, and the sitting comfort is as same as its siblings. On the fuel tank you will get the Pulsar's 3D logo, as well as this color is matte, and also you will get the orange gloss color in this bike. On-road price of this bike is around 1.04 lakhs, so it may vary according to state. Also design wise there are very minor changes and you will feel like you are riding like NS 160 or NS 200. But as if you want to get into the NS squad, you may go for the NS 125 for the starting, and later on you may upgrade to NS 200. The cruising speed of this bike will be around 80-85, and this bike will be the great for the highway touring also, because the sitting comfort and the handling is quite great in this bike. So you may go for the long touring along with the pillion, and both the seats are quite comfortable. But yes, you may feel under power as you cruise on the highway, because it is a 125cc category bike. So this is it for now guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and thanks for watching.